Welcome to the NewsRamp Human Resources Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday afternoon, June 25th, 2024, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of human resources news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Before we dive into today's human resources headlines, we'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsor, HR.com. HR.com is the largest social networking and resource site for HR professionals, offering cutting-edge tools, training, and insights to help you succeed in the ever-evolving world of human resources. We're grateful for HR.com's support in making this podcast possible. Visit HR.com to join a community of over 1.75 million professionals and access a wealth of resources to elevate your HR practices. Thank you, HR.com, for supporting the NewsRamp Human Resources Podcast. Starting off with our first headline.
Key improvements needed for employee mental well-being programs. New study by HR.com's HR Research Institute. A new study by HR.com's HR Research Institute highlights the need for key improvements in employee mental well-being programs. The research report, State of Mental Health and Stress in the Workplace 2024, reveals that only 2 in 10 organizations have methods to measure employee mental health and stress levels. Organizations excelling in mental health support are 6 times more likely to track employee well-being. While there's a positive trend in self-assessment, 62% of HR professionals report feeling stressed at work, with 77% noting stress within their organizations. CEO Debbie McGrath emphasizes the importance of robust measurement frameworks to enhance employee well-being. The full report is available for free download, offering actionable tips to improve mental health initiatives in the workplace.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Human Resources Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.